It's better than Texas though. That's a fact.
Y'all wanna come back later or what, man? What y'all wanna do?
Mom, so what you got?
I am getting the normal, some yard bird. This is the pre-glam look, straight out the flight look. Yeah.
Okay, whatever that means. I'm getting chicken and waffles, of course. Okay, guys, this is the plate from Roscoe's, and it was $12.99. 3 wings and a half of waffles. I got candy ham. I'll be back to let you guys know the final verdict. Hey guys, I'm coming back with a late review of the Roscoe's chicken and waffles. To sum it up, no, it wasn't what was up. And it was a full waffle, but the chicken wasn't seasoned. Candy yams wasn't yams. It was sweet potatoes. I don't know if y'all know the difference. What you think, Mom?
All I can say is that my chicken had feathers that was fried. Don't do it. Reconsider.
Reconsider. So we drove all the way down to Santa Maria. I will see you guys once I'm doing something else.
That's why I turned up on
Yeah. Wait till you see the he got one for Jordan them too. Alright guys, hello, it is the next day and Bria had to go and get her toes done. You guys want to see her toes? It's not cute, she said, but we did that. Now we're finna go to the house. We have family house and have a fish fry But right now we're waiting for our ride. Sorry. Right now we're waiting for our ride and we came into Chipotle. So I'll be back once we're at the house. Bye. Actually, Bria wants a taco. We didn't have the fish. So I just want to inform you guys. Peer pressure. And what? And I have one taco.
I can't even.
Alright guys, this is my one taco. I've never tried a taco from Chipotle. I actually don't like Chipotle. So this should be interesting. So I got a steak taco with black beans, brown rice, queso, and then I have sour cream, salsa, and pico de gallo. I'm gonna put on there. Let's see how this tastes.
I've been through that. We all been through that. I'm true to this.
I still don't like the bones. But I'll be back once we get to the fish fry. Bye. Getting ready to play spades. Bria doesn't know it that much, so let's see how this goes.
I'm about to be shunned out the family.
Before you even get in. Oh my God, I ain't ready. Really?
You need to be on my team.
You hear her laugh? Huh? Huh? Yeah.
No, we just having a little reunion. I'm gonna be on YouTube soon. I'm gonna give y'all my name when I get one.
Okay.
Tell you too, hey. Hey. Okay, he just woke up, y'all.
Come on, y'all gonna play? Y'all gonna play spades?
Yeah, what we gonna play it? That's our cousin, Lisa,
Come out! Come out! Okay, guys, an update. We are currently winning against Tyler and Alex, me and Bria. Aaliyah doesn't know how to play, so.
We're about to whoop Destiny and them in spades.
No,
so pay
no,
attention, make sure
no.
y'all are watching. And if
Okay.
you want a real cards game, come.
Not true. What's the score? Just check the score.
Add me on Snapchat at Adriana Octavia. Add me on Instagram at Alexandra B95_.
Big Fiji, you know what I'm saying?
And guys, the music that you're gonna hear at the beginning of this vlog is actually from him.
And I'm the singer on the track.
No, she's not.
Put it in the background. You know,
Yeah, so if y'all want to check out his music, click the link under here and it'll send
And y'all
you
better go
to
subscribe to my
Spotify
girl channel.
and all, you know.
Man, all platforms.
Media.
You're gonna see the all platforms. Big Fiji with 2 I's at the end. Don't put no U. F-I-J-I-I. You know what I'm saying? Big Fiji. Just like that.
5 or 6.
We got 6.
6. Okay, y'all going 6 right now. It's down. Okay. Bria, how many do you have?
Maybe 3, 2. I don't know.
2?
2.
Okay, y'all. I look at my hand.
About to spell this.
What y'all think I should go? Bria has 2. What y'all think I should go?
Why are you laughing?
We definitely go on a board. Definitely.
Award. What you mean?
Board 4.
4. Me, y'all ain't got nothing. Y'all just gotta get 4 books. We might go up.
So you,
My partner, pay attention.
Yeah,
It's on Destiny.
it's on me.
I win.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna win to just put some, bro.
Really? Just put some. I'm gonna give her this 3.